Arch is a not-for-profit organisation which provides healthcare services to people who are experiencing homelessness. It all started at a time when the specialist homeless surgery, which had existed in Brighton since 1998, was threatened with closure. Colleagues came together to do everything they could to ensure that anyone without a home in the city could receive the best possible care. And in 2016, Arch Health Community Interest Company was formed. On the 1st of February 2017, Arch not only relaunched the specialist homeless GP surgery, but also took over responsibilities for the Pathway team at the Royal Sussex County Hospital, an extensive health engagement project pioneered by Just Life and outreach clinics which ran in day centres and a variety of community contexts. After 5 years, we wanted to better understand how we've been doing and show what has been achieved in that time. So we've been looking back over the years and talking to patients, staff, commissioners and partners about their experience of Arch. Here are some of the things people have said about us.
The help
Everyone has to saved my life.
In order to register with Arch, people must be either sleeping on the streets, living in emergency, temporary or hostel accommodation, bedding down in a vehicle, staying with friends, or be a gypsy or traveller. And of course, they need to be living in Brighton and Hove. The vast majority of the people we see face extreme hardship due to traumatic experiences which have happened to them either as adults or children. Their health needs can be extremely complicated, and many are living with chronic illness, mental health challenges, and substance dependency. All of these are difficult to address without a safe and secure home. Arch is a place where people can receive specialist care and treatment from non-judgmental staff who are all eager to help. We have learned how important it is to really get to know people, to understand their story and everything that has happened to them. Then we can deliver care which really does enable them to make progress towards happier and healthier futures. Over the last 5 years, our expert clinicians have delivered over 60,000 patient consultations. Our Just Life health engagement team have recorded over 21,000 health interventions with almost 500 different people. Our hospital in-reach team have provided health and housing support to 2,000 people in the Royal Sussex County Hospital. We've also hosted some incredible health and homelessness conferences and events to remember those men and women who have sadly died while homeless in our city. In 2020, the Arch team were called upon to provide clinical leadership to the city's COVID response for people who were without homes, and we worked with the City Council and other partners to create an accommodation model which ensured everyone was cared for and protected. During the coldest months of winter 2021, we pioneered a mobile service offering vaccines to people on the streets and also helped to create a step-down beds project, providing accommodation and healthcare for people who were leaving hospital with nowhere safe to stay. In 2021, we launched a patient engagement project funded by the Health Foundation. Through this, we are learning directly from the people using the services about what is working and what needs to improve. This 3-year co-creation project is called Common Ambition. In all these things, working with our community partners has been a central theme. There are too many to list, but we're so grateful to each and every organisation and individual who we've worked alongside over the last 5 years. Along the way, we've picked up some awards and recognition, achieving a coveted outstanding rating in our first ever CQC inspection, before being recognised as a culture leader for our positive working environment. It's been an incredible 5 years, but there is much, much more to do. People are still sick and dying too young of preventable causes. But at Arch, we remain determined to do everything we can to improve things. If you'd like to find out more or support us in some way, you can get in touch by going to www.archhealthcare.uk.